Hello. In this video, I show you how to merge two jobs in NAKIVO Backup and Replication. The solution allows you to merge the content of any two jobs, source job and a target job. These jobs have to be of the same type and for the same platform. You can merge the content of backup copy or replication jobs into a single job. Now, to merge jobs, switch to the Jobs dashboard in your NAKIVO Backup and Replication interface. First, select the source job from the list on the left side of the interface. Right-click on the selected job and click Merge. From the window that appears, select the target job into which you want to merge the source job and click Apply to confirm the merger. Click Close to see the updated list of jobs. If you check the Job Info section, you can see that the workloads from the two jobs you just merged are now being processed under a single job. Thank you for watching. You can visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.